Hello my dear students, today in this video we are going to start from page number 183. Okay, so in the last video I told you how to solve exercise 11.1 and also I have discussed about counting money. Okay, if it is in case of note or paise, right? So now I will discuss about some situations which we generally find when we visit some fair, or if you are going to a restaurant or hotel, or if you are going somewhere outside. So in that case, if you want to buy something, if you want to eat something, so at that case how we will choose that, or how we will pay money for that, and how we will come to know that how much you will get back again, okay, and how much you have spent. Okay, so here I have taken one theme here, at the fun fair. Okay, so that means some children went to a fun fair. So there one menu was there. Okay, so in that menu some items are also written. You can see dosa for rupees 12, idli 7.50 paise, vada rupees 6.50, milkshake rupees 20, bhel 15.25, chaat 13.50, okay, and samosa rupees 10.25, and juice for 18 rupees. Okay, so the first question is, Arif had an idli and a juice. How much did he pay? Okay, so according to this menu we have to find out that how much did he pay. Okay, Arif. So first of all, you see he had an idli. Okay, so what is the price for idli? Rupees 7.50, right? So at first you have to write that 7.50. Okay, and then a juice. Okay, so juice is for rupees 18. So you have to write 18 and 00 because no paise. Okay, so now this two item he had, right? So obviously we have to do plus, then we will get the total money, right? So here let's add it, rupees. So 0 plus 0 will be 0, 5 plus 0 will be 5, and point will be point. 8 plus 7 if we will get 15, okay, and plus 1, we have already 1 carry, so it will be 2. So now you see rupees 25.50. Okay, and students, here you see the most important thing. First of all, idli for rupees 7.50, so I have written 7.50, and juice for rupees 18. So you see the places how I put. Okay, I haven't wrote like here 18. Okay, why? Because I told you that the place of point should be always same. Okay, and after point there will be only 2 digit. Okay, so now you see 2 digit, and here from here you have to see. Okay, so 18, 8 will be at 1's place and 1 will be at 10's place, and 7 is only once. Okay, 7 once, so obviously it will be placed in the 1's place, and here in the 10's place there is nothing. So that's why we after adding we will get this. So the answer for this question will be what? How much did he pay? He paid rupees 25.50, or 25 rupees 50 paise. Now let's see what is given in question number 2. Sunil had a bada and a chaat. How much did he pay? So the same question, but here the items are different, bada and chaat. Okay, so bada is for rupees 6.50. So let's write it first, rupees 6.50, and chaat for 13 rupees 50 paise. So again you have to write 13 rupees 50 paise. So we have to add it. So 0 plus 0 will be 0. Okay, then 5 plus 5 will be 10. So 10's 0 and 1 will be carried here. So 6 plus 3 will be 9, plus 1 10. Again carry 1, and here 1 plus 1 will be 2. So how much? Rupees 20. So how much did he pay? So you have to write he paid rupees 20. Okay, so next question is, Aditi had milkshake and samosa. how much did she pay? Okay, so now now to see from the menu, milkshake and samosa. So milkshake rupees 20 and samosa for rupees 10 and 25 paise, right? Okay, so now we have to see that how much did she paid. So after adding we will get 5 here, 0 plus 5, 0 plus 2 will be 2. Okay, here is no point. Okay, that one mistakenly I have given 2. Okay, 2 and here it is 5. Okay, and point. Okay, here it will be point. 0 plus 0 will be 0 and 2 plus 1 will be 3. So how much? Rupees 30.25. 30 rupees 25 paise. Okay, now it is asked that if she gave rupees 50, how much she will get back? Okay, so she gave rupees 50 to the shopkeeper and her bill is rupees 30 and 25 paise. So how much money will she get back? So for that, what we have to do? We have to subtract the bill from the given money. So 50 rupees she gave to the shopkeeper, right? So now we will write this like this way. Okay, 50.00. 00 means no paise. Okay, but here paise is there, so that's why I'm including this part. Okay, now how much is the bill? Rupees 30.25. Now you see why we are choosing subtraction here, because this much money she have to pay to the shopkeeper and this much money she paid, so in return she will get something, right? So that's why we have to choose subtraction. Okay, so here we will consider this one as 10. 10 plus 5 will be 5. Okay, then this one will become 9. 9 minus 2 will be what? 7. Okay, and from here we have to take, so this one will also become 9. 9. So here 9 minus 0 will be 9. Okay, and from here we have taken here, so that's why it will become 4. So 4 minus 3 will be what? 1, right? So how much money she will get back? She will get back rupees 19.75 paise. Okay, 19 rupees 75 paise. Okay, so that means in this case you have to choose subtraction when the question will be asked that how much she will get back or how much you will get back. Okay, because in that case whatever you have paid, in the against of that, if it is more, means you are paying more than your bill, so obviously you will get some money back. So that one we can find out by using subtraction, and to find out the total bill we have to use addition. Okay, so in this way you have to do it. Okay, so you can see your book page number 183. So try this, I think you can do it. Okay, so by following this chart you can do this. Okay, so here she spent, you have to write, okay, Anisha, and here Sukhvinder. Okay, so here you have to write the prices for the different items and then you have to add, so that you can know that how much they have spent. Okay, and here also one means I have shown you how to find out that how much money did he or she get back. So I think you can also do it. Okay, and try this also you can try. Okay, so here you see Anisha so here you will get the bill and she paid rupees 50. Okay, you can see 50 rupees note. Okay, so after that how much she will get back? In this case here Sukhbinder gave rupees 100, so you have to find out the bill for him. Okay, means how much money he spent. Okay, and then you have to subtract from 100 because he paid 100 to the shopkeeper, so how much money he will get back. Now let's consider one another case. Here you see one chart, rides. Okay, so here you see different items are given. Okay, and for that the price is also given. That means if you go for merry-go-round you have to pay 8 per ride. That means this one is price for the ticket, one ticket. So one ticket cost 8. Okay, rupees 8 per ride. Okay, then giant wheel rupees 15 per ride and roller coaster 18 per ride. Okay, So by following this, we have to solve this question. Okay. So now let's see what is the question. Amit buys 6 tickets for giant wheel. How much does he spend? Okay. So Amit bought 6 tickets for what? Giant wheel. So giant wheel, you see, per ride. Okay. That means one ticket is for 15 rupees. So 6 ticket he bought. So what operation we have to choose? We have to choose multiplication, right? Because here you see 15 for 1, so we have to find for 6. So if we multiply this with 15, then we will get, right? So here 15 is for 1, right? So you have to write like this, okay, rupees 15. And here you see there are no points, so you can write directly like this, and 6 tickets, so you can write 6 here, and you can do this multiplication. Okay, so 6 5 is 30, carry 3, 6 1 is 6, plus 3 will be 9. Okay, so to buy 6 ticket, Amit, how much he spent? He spent rupees 90. Okay, so in this way, with the help of multiplication, we can find out the prices for more tickets or more amount. So depending upon the question, you have to understand that whether you have to multiply, add, subtract or divide. Okay. So in your book, you see page number 184. So here one more chart is given. Okay. Games and prize. So you see, knock down the cans. First chance win rupees 90 and second chance win rupees 65. Okay. So the question is, Rahul owns 65 at this game stall. He decided to share the prize money with his 5 friends. How much did each get? Okay, so at the means Rahul owned this rupees 65. Okay, so he wanted to divide it. Okay, divide this prize money with his 5 friends. Okay, so as you know that to share or to divide or to distribute, in that case we use always division, right? Because here rupees 65 we have to divide amongst 5 friends. So obviously you have to divide 65 with 5. So you see here 5 1s are 5, 1 is remainder 15, it will become 5 will come here, so 5 3s are 15, so remainder becomes 0. So what is the quotient here? 13, right? So 13 rupees each. Okay, that means each friend will get rupees 13. Okay, so 5 friends, they will get rupees 13 each. Okay, so depending upon the question, you have to decide whether you have to add it, subtract it, divide it or multiply it. Okay, so similarly your exercise 11.2 is given, and it's quite lengthy, students. Okay, so I will up to this much we have to discuss. Okay, so that's why I decided that I will do 2 part of it, because it will take little time. Okay, so for now I will share a few questions with you, and in the part 2 video I will share the rest of the other questions. Okay, so see students, exercise 11.2. So let's do one number. Okay, so from each question I will show one. Okay, and other problems you try to do. Okay, so in one number there are few questions. Okay, so I am solving a number up to I number is given. So 3 A, B, C. So there you have place to do, and from D number you have to write it in your notebook. Okay, so now let's start. Here we have to do addition. So let's start. 0 plus 0 will be 0. 5 plus 0 will be 5. Point have to put in points place. 5 plus 0 will be 5, and 2 plus 6 will be 8, right? So this one will become 85.50. Okay, so in this way you do the other numbers also. Okay, and always put the place values accordingly. Okay, now question number 2, subtract. So here I'm doing F number. Okay, so here you see rupees 62.25 minus rupees 18.50. So 5 minus 0 will be 5. 2 minus 5, that means here we have to take what? 12. So 12 minus 5, 7. So I have to write 7 here. Okay, and as you have taken here 2, so it will, means 1. So here it will become 1, right? So 1 means 11. 11 minus 8, 3, right? And this 6 will become 5. 5 minus 1 will be 4, and in place of point you have to put point. So the answer is 43.75. Okay, so in this way here also a I number is given, okay, up to I number. So you try to do it in your notebook and by following the place values. Okay, if you will not place them correctly, then your answer will be wrong. Okay, question number 3, H number I'm showing. Okay, so it is given rupees 7.50 into 6. So it is like written like this, so you can use this column method also. Okay, this one. Okay, and in case of multiplication it is same. Okay, just at last when you will get the answer, in that place you have to put the point. Okay, so 600, 6530, carry 3, and 67 42 plus 3 will be 45. Okay, and point you have to put after 2 digit. Okay, so it will become rupees 45. Okay, 0 is there, so 0 means nothing, so rupees 45. Okay, so in this way you do this number also, because here also I number is given. Okay, so you do this one, and there means no need to think about the point. Okay, always you do the multiplication, and at last you see here 1 2. Okay, from right hand side after 2 digit you have to put point, so 1 2 you have to put point. Okay, the place of point should be same. Next question number 4, divide. Okay, so rupees 56 divided by 4. Okay, so how you will do this? Simple, you have to follow the division step. So with 4 we have to do 1 time 4. Now 1 will come here and this 6 will come here, and we know that 4 4 ja 16. So the remainder is 0 and the quotient is your 14. Okay, so in this way you have to do. Okay, here also up to I number is given. Okay, and I think you can do if it is given for 3 digits also. Okay, suppose if I show you the I number, rupees 504 divided by 9 is given, right? So that one you have to do 504 and 9. So you cannot consider this because 5 is less than 9, so you have to consider 50. So now if we think 9 times table, it will go 5 times because 6 9 ja 54, which is greater, right? So 5 9 ja 45, right? So here if we subtract, we will get 5. Okay, and this one will come here. So as you know that 6 9 ja 54. So yes, you have to do this. So this one is the remainder and this one is the quotient here. Okay, so in this way if 3 digits are also there, then no need to worry, just follow the steps how you divide. Okay, so this one will take little bit time because here from A to I number you have to do, so this one will take time. So that's why today up to this much only I will discuss. Okay, so you finished up to question number 4. Okay, and from question number 5 we will discuss in my next video. Okay, so in your notebook at least everyone you try to complete 4 number up to I number. Okay, thank you.